Switching to Verizon Wireless? Whether you're bringing your number from another carrier or setting up a new device, the process is simple, but there are a few things to remember. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to port your number to Verizon quickly and without issues. Let's get started. How to start the porting process. Go to Verizon's website. Start the process on Verizon's official website. Check eligibility. Enter your current phone number to see if it's eligible for transfer. Enter your carrier details. Provide your account number and transfer PIN from your current provider. Pick a plan and device. Choose a Verizon plan and, if needed, a new device. Activate your SIM. If bringing your own phone, insert the Verizon SIM card. Wait for transfer. The process typically completes within a few hours, but can take up to 24 hours. If you run into issues, contact Verizon support or visit a store for assistance. How to check if your device is compatible with Verizon. First, go to Verizon's Bring Your Own Device page. Select your device type, whether it's a phone, tablet, or smartwatch. Next, choose the brand and model of your device. Then, enter your IMEI number on an iPhone. You can find it in Settings under General and About. On an Android phone, dial *#06#. Once you enter the IMEI, Verizon will check if your device is eligible for their network. If it's compatible, you can move forward with activation. If not, Verizon may suggest other options. If you're unsure, visit a Verizon store with your device, and a representative can check your compatibility. Once your phone is confirmed to be compatible, you can proceed with porting your number and activating Verizon service. Check out the full article linked in the description for more details, troubleshooting, and common issues. If your number isn't porting, here's what to check. Incorrect account details. Double-check your account number and PIN. Carrier restrictions. Your current carrier might have a port-out restriction. Contact them to remove it. Device compatibility issues. Make sure your phone works with Verizon's network. Transfer delays. If it's been over 24 hours, contact Verizon support for assistance. Activating your Verizon service. Once your number has transferred, restart your phone. This refreshes your connection to Verizon's network. Test calls and texts. Make sure everything is working properly. Set up Verizon features. Install the My Verizon app to manage your account. Final thoughts. Porting your number to Verizon is a straightforward process if you have the right information. Just make sure your phone is unlocked, your account details are correct, and you follow the steps carefully. Do you have any questions about switching to Verizon? Drop them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech guides.